Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Despite the federal government's decision to have the June 12 Democracy Day marked on Monday, some activists and youths made their way to Ojota to protest against challenges of insecurity and general hardship, which they blamed on the government. Combat-ready policemen were seen trying to maintain peace, but their heavy presence was a source of resentment for the protesters who decried the use of force at some point to disperse some of them.
I didn't see any live ammunition, but I did see projectiles and tear gases being shot at people, totally unprovoked. Totally unprovoked. Everyone was marching, everyone was singing freedom songs. Absolutely no cause for this amount of cops all around here.
ọmọ gan lọ́wọ́ kò sí pé bóyá pé kí ni bọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí wọn ò mú jàdá ni wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní yìnbọn wọ́n yin tear gas lé anybody kò dé yẹ kó rí báyẹn.
This police they be shooting and blowing tear gas to us and we are not even harm anybody. We are just in the street, stand by ourselves, jubilating.
So far, they have not shot anybody.
God, they cannot try it.
God will not allow
if they try it, they will be in the front.
All around Lagos, from the mainland to the island roads, human and vehicular traffic remained light as shops and some markets were closed.